Hello there, modern man. I'm Dr. Truong. I've treated over 7,000 men with erectile dysfunction. What if the real solution to ED didn't come in a pill, but from a 5-minute move you could do right now at your home? Doctors call it a game changer, yet no one's doing it. In this episode, I'll show you the science-backed exercises proven to fix blood flow and erection naturally. You can significantly improve ED at home through targeted exercise that increase pelvic strength, increase blood flow, and also increase the blood vessels function. So studies have shown that these exercises can improve and even reverse mild to moderate ED within weeks if done consistently. Now, if you do this together with Mediterranean diet and then sleep, then it's like fire. So let's talk about the number one exercise you can do at home that you do not need to be in a gym for. Number one, my favorite, pelvic floor exercise or Kegel exercise. These are the most proven exercises for ED, but yet no one is doing this. All the men that I talk to in my clinic, none of them even know about this exercise or even know these muscles exist in their body. Yet it is critical to be part of your erection because these two muscles, they're called the vulvar cavernosus, which is right here. Right, so this is the testicle. I'm lifting it up. This is your anus here, and this is the penis here. And the vulval cavernosus muscles are these muscles right here. And also the ischial cavernosus are these muscles here. What they function is that they wrap around the base of the penis and they help with keeping the blood in the penis for a firm erection and also help with making the penis firm and hard and stay hard so that way it can be functional. But no one that I talk to don't even know how to do it, even it exists. So it is critical that you guys need to exercise this muscle. Well, how do you know you exercise the muscle correctly? Well, first of all, it's the same muscle that start and stop your urine flow. So what you do is you put your hand down here, you can feel it when you contract it. So if you try stopping your urine flow, so imagine you're urinating and you're trying to stop your urine flow, you can feel like a little contraction underneath your hand. Those are the pelvic muscles. But when you do this, you make sure that you don't want to tighten your abdominal muscle up here and you don't want to tighten your thighs, all right? You want to breathe, you want to relax. You want just to contract those two muscles that I show you about, the vulval cavernosus and the ischial cavernosus muscle, okay? If you contract those muscles, and you know when you're contracting it correctly, you can see the base of the penis kind of will draw in just a little bit, kind of comes in into your pubic bone. If you contract it and try to hold it for 5 seconds, just 5 seconds, and then slowly release it. But in the beginning, you may not be able to hold it for 5 seconds. You may just hold it for 1 second and you have to release it. But it takes practice. So try to go for 5 seconds and slowly release it. You want to do it for 20 repetitions per set and do about 2 to 3 sets a day. When you're doing it, you should breathe normally. You should relax your legs. You should relax your abdominal muscles, okay? Try not to tense up, but they're very critical muscle. And you can feel it, just a slight contraction in your hand. You can do it. It takes practice. And most men with ED, these muscles actually are tight. So oftentimes, you have to kind of massage it to relax it also. That's where testicle massage come into play. If you massage your testicles, both hands for like 2 minutes, it actually relaxes that area. And when you're massaging your testicles, you're also increasing the flow in the testicles, because the testicles where your testosterone is being made. So you're releasing more testosterone in the bloodstream, and you're also relaxing yourself. So it's a second exercise that you can do. So massaging your testicle for 2 minutes. So that's a second exercise that you should be doing. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. Number 3, you don't have to join a gym. Studies have shown that cardiovascular exercise improve ED by 46% and also promote more nitric oxide production. So activities such as brisk walking where you can have trouble breathing, and cycling, jogging, swimming, rowing, or even just walking up a hill, going hiking, enjoying the weather. You do this about 30 minutes, 4 times a week. It is as good as anything else. You don't even need to join a gym. Now, the next one, number 4, I know, I'm just gonna say it, yoga and stretching. I know my husband doesn't like stretching either, but yoga enhances your flexibility, make you more flexible. It increases blood flow and it decreases stress. 3 major factors that you need to have on board for sexual function. Now, certain poses target hip muscle. So you want to target the buttock muscle, the hip muscle, the quadricep muscles, which are the leg muscle, your abdominal muscles, because when you do that, it will improve circulation to the pelvic muscle down here. So top yoga poses for ED is the cobra pose, doing the bridge pose, the child pose, and the plow pose. So those are easy things that you can just do 15 minutes a day, focusing on your breathing. While you're doing this, you're doing your box breathing. Breathe into your nose for a count of 4, hold it in for a count of 4, breathe out to your mouth for a count of 4. Just the box breathing when you're doing yoga exercise. And I threw in an extra exercise, which is the breathing exercise for you. And the last one is really, okay, you have access to the gym, go into the gym and start doing some weights, because when you're doing resistant weight training, it does increase testosterone and also help with erection. So how many should you do? You should focus on your legs, the gluteal muscle, like doing 3 sets of 15 reps of squats and doing Romanian deadlift for 3 sets of 10 reps and doing push-ups or pull-up as well. So doing this at the same time that you're going to do for walking, about 3 to 4 times a week will be helpful. So all of these exercises will go a long way in increasing blood flow, increasing nitric oxide, help you with stress management, and it can improve your erection firmness, and sexual endurance within 4 to 6 weeks without medication. Now, imagine if you add this in with the Mediterranean diet, and imagine if you add this with sleeping appropriately. If you're doing all the right stuff and you add it in, it's going to be more powerful than just doing one thing at a time. Studies have shown diet and exercise are the most important factors in reversing ED. So when you're doing the exercise, add the diet, the Mediterranean diet with that. Check out the Mediterranean diet below. Also check out my Good Morning Woods smoothie too. When you take the Good Morning Woods smoothie, it will help with increasing blood flow as well as part of the Mediterranean diet. And check out the last episode where I talk about the food that you can eat that help for ED, because it has all the fruits and the berries in there. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So just know that I'm giving you the roadmap for you to get out of ED to restore function again. You are not alone. You do not have to suffer in silence. It will mean the world to me if you subscribe to the channel, set notifications, and share to somebody that you love. And just know that we're here to help. So check out the Modern Man Club. It's a safe space where men with ED gather, where we work together in getting you out of ED, giving you the roadmap to performance again. Check it out at noedman.com. And I will see you in the next episode, Modern Man. Okay, Modern Man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken, you are not alone, and you don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence, no more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.